What up, YouTube? Hall Creek Boy out here with a tool update. I told you I'd do a video of the angle grinder, so I'm going to do a video of the angle grinder. It's a Harborfreight $15. Can't read the specs, but 4.5-inch angle grinder, 10,000 RPM, 120 volt, and I like it. It's the Drill Master one. Works pretty good. I've got a real high-end blade on it though. I've got one of them. I don't have a cheap Harborfreight one on it. Which right here, I bought two cheap Harborfreight metal cutting ones. They were having a sale where they were throwing out stuff that was missing, like, not really missing, but like they only had like 2 or 3 of something that was supposed to have 5 or 6. So I bought 2 for 50 cents. And so we're gonna go ahead and and this is the chuck wrench, spindle wrench, I guess you call it, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna go ahead and test this little angle grinder, and we're gonna cut what should we cut? I'll just start cutting that stuff on this deck because the deck is no good. Or I might drag over a piece of exhaust pipe or something to cut. But I'm sure I'll get it figured out. So set the camera down, get it angled up right. I might bring it down here. Alright, I'm going to bring my little light over, if I can. I hope you'll see anything. Yeah, we'll be good. Alright, so first off, I'm just going to start by pulling off this little guard looking thing right here. So it cut that little pencil rod like butter, as you can see it right there, and it cut clean too. So I'm going to cut this other little piece of pencil rod. That was a little bit thicker pencil rod than what I just cut right there. Basically right now I'm just going to cut this in half, I think. See how long it takes to cut something this thick in half. So I guess we'll go ahead and start cutting it. Okay, well it just cut some pretty thick steel. I mean, that's pretty thick. I mean, it didn't do bad. I'm very proud of it. I'm liking the results a lot so far. This is going to be a pretty nice little tool for me. I think I'm going to definitely do a lot with this. I guess we'll go ahead and cut this off right here just for fun. Let's see. Alright, that's pretty impressive. I don't know how well y'all gonna be able to see this, but that's solid steel. It's heavy. And it just cut through it like there was nothing there. I'm starting to like this thing a lot. We'll cut some more of this pencil rod up. I pretty much cleaned this thing up. We'll see how good it cuts chain. Y'all might like that.